Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Car Addiction. This is your first time in my channel. I'm a huge Nissan enthusiast. I got an R32 Skyline, 2.3 ZX twin turbo. One is going to be up for sale this spring. MR2, I don't know why I have it. I have an Xterra, Devil's Child. So if you are 21 and younger, stop, watch a cat video. There's no need to be a car enthusiast. Today I'm making this video after over a month. And to my regular viewers, when I shoot a video, I usually take a weekend and then shoot a couple of videos that will cover me for quite a bit of time. And that's what I usually do. Today, I'm shooting the video after over a month. Part of the reason is me, my wife, and my kid, we got hit hard with COVID. We tested positive, and man, this thing is not a joke. This thing is tough. This is one of the toughest battles we as a family had to do. So a company called Videolog reached out to me almost 2 months ago, and they asked me if I would like to make a review of their product, and I gladly said yes, because I am always open to making honest reviews about good quality products on the market. So they sent out 2 samples, and pretty much right after they sent me out the samples, we got hit with COVID. So I apologize, it took a little bit too long to come up with this video, but it's never too late. Oh, it's cold outside. Oh my God, with the wind chill, it's about minus 17 degrees centigrade. I'm sitting inside my storage facility. It's about time I make the video for them. This is actually a wonderful company. I was doing quite a bit of research about them. They have been in the business for over 30 years, but they're only available to public for last couple of years because they primarily service the military, especially the Navy, because these Navy fleets that refuel and in the ocean for months at a time, they need to stabilize their fuel. And also, fun fact, the Navy does not use the same fuel as us. So they had to engineer this product in a different way. So let's say the Lucas product that I'm a big fan of, or the Amsoil product I reviewed a couple of months ago, they are both glycol-based product, which has been on the market for eons, and it's a tested, proven system. Because Videolog have to cater for the military, which uses different kind of hydrocarbon-based fuel at different applications. They generated a formula which is based on a metallic ion, and it works with any hydrocarbon-based fuel system. So it could be gasoline, it could be diesel, and it could be bunker number 2 or a bunker number 4. I don't know if bunker number 4 actually exists, but you get the gist. Another thing it does is it attaches with the hydrocarbon and it brings down the combustion temperature. So in gasoline, it brings it down to about 150 degrees, where diesel, it brings down to over 200 degrees. What it means for you is a bigger, cleaner burn, and also, which in return, it gives you the highest, cleanest fuel efficiency, least amount of soot. So people in the transport industry, where they have big rigs and they have the DEF system. This system, it reduces the generation time. Example, if your DEF was generating every 40 to 50,000 miles or kilometers, you should notice a significant improvement in generation. That way, you're actually saving more fuel, you're saving more DEF fluid, and at the end of the day, it's better and cleaner for the environment. The recommended use for this is 1 ounce for 80 gallon. This is a highly concentrated product. So let's say if I use the Lucas, I use about 100 ml for a 65-liter tank. Same thing with the Amsoil, where I have to use half an ounce for a 65-liter tank. A 65-liter tank is somewhere around the 15 gallon range. So 1 ounce for 80 gallon, which is 1 treatment. I use half an ounce for a 65-liter tank, which is actually a little over 2 treatment. And I used it for 3 fill-ups. I wanted to use it for more, but I could only use it for 3 fill-ups because last 16, 17 days, we have been home, we quarantined, we did it right, and the vehicle didn't really run, it stayed on the driveway. So what did I notice? There's one benefit I noticed, and that I'm gonna say I noticed a little more fuel efficiency. Having said that, if you saw my last video, I dropped the all-wheel drive system in my car. That could directly result to the higher fuel efficiency. I'm not sure if that's a direct correlation to using the Videolog, but on the other hand, I believe my fuel system is pretty clean because I use the Lucas product or the Amsoil product in intervals. So Another thing I noticed is every time you use the Lucas product or the Amsoil product, the first oil fill up, I feel a little reduced performance. All of these products, they're glycol based, which doesn't burn well. Its job is to clean the product, not to show you performance or anything like that. This is not an octane booster, neither any of those products. So, and this product, when I used it, I did not experience any lack of performance, which to me is a great thing. So yeah, that's that. When I studied this company, I was very impressed with the technology that they're using. It's something new, something revolutionary, and I like it. I really do. Stop. Not gonna pick up. When I studied this company, I really like the technology they use. They're far ahead, leaps and bounds of whatever the conventional technology that's been used. So give these guys a chance to prove the product. Their website is pretty straight simple, fuelox.com. Go there and buy yourself a unit. The link in the description, and let's see what you think. Now, having said that, if you used this product before, and leave it in the comment section. I want to know what your experience is. And also, if you used any other fuel treatment system other than Lucas or Amsoil, leave it in the comment section, because I would like to give it a shot. I would like to try make videos like this. Anyway, thank you for making it to the end of the video. If this is your first time in my channel, please hit the subscribe button and bell notification. There's a lot more interesting stuff coming in. I apologize, I was shut down a little bit, but I think I am recovered now. I am immune. Fuelox sent me 2 units. This is the second unit, and I will be giving this away to 1 lucky subscriber. So what you have to do is click the subscribe button and leave a comment, preferably non-offensive, and I will choose from one of those, and we'll see you next time.